Hello to all the friends and supporters of the Walking Tour Hani channel. Today, we're heading into the heart of a traditional street market near the magnificent Persepolis, a place where you can truly experience the real atmosphere of Iran up close. This market is full of color, aroma, and life. From local clothing and handicrafts to delicious Iranian street food found at every corner, everything here reflects the vibrant spirit of everyday life. The sound of vendors, the scent of spices, and the warm, friendly interactions between people create a vivid picture of real life in Iran. If you're interested in an Iran walking tour, Iran real life, Iran street life, or Iran travel, don't miss this video. This is not just a market. It is a part of the culture and identity of the people of this land. Combined with the historical grandeur of Persepolis, it offers an authentic and unique experience. On the Walking Tour Hani channel, my goal is to show you the lesser-seen beauty of Iran, traditional bazaars, street markets, and real everyday life, honestly and without exaggeration. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support motivates me to create more videos about Iran street markets, walking tours, and real life in Iran. You can also find more street market videos from different cities across Iran on my channel, where you can explore diverse cultures and local lifestyles. Thank you for being with Walking Tour Hani.
کایسیز کنیم بابا
بچه بگه تا برات پشمک بگیره پشمک تازه
میگم ما سر نداری سر یه چیزا الو سلام حالت خوبه خوبی نه برگرد نیستم پیشش نیستم